In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get cash from Affirm virtual card. We'll walk through how to move money from your Affirm money account to your bank, which is the practical way to turn those funds into cash you can use anywhere. You can do this in the Affirm app or on the website, and the process is nearly identical in both places. First, sign into your account using the app or by visiting the site. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that you can access any two-factor authentication you've set up. Once you're in, navigate to the Money section. That's where all your balances and transfer tools live. Next, choose Withdraw. This is the action that starts the transfer out of Affirm and into your bank. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Take a moment here to confirm the number is correct and that it fits within any withdrawal limits that might apply to your account. Now choose the bank account you want the money sent to. If you've already linked a bank, you can select it from your list of existing accounts. If you don't see the account you want to use, you'll have the option to link a new one. Linking typically involves securely signing into your bank or entering routing and account details. Make sure the name on the bank account matches your Affirm profile to avoid delays. When you're ready, tap or click Continue. You'll see a summary screen with your transfer details. Review everything carefully: amount, destination account, and any notes. Then finalize the transfer by tapping Submit or clicking Confirm. That confirmation is your signal that the request has been sent. After you submit, withdrawals usually take 1 to 5 business days to land in your bank. Processing times can vary based on your bank and the day you initiate the transfer, so transfers started late in the day, on weekends, or around holidays may take longer. If you're planning a payment or a cash need, build in that timing. If you're unsure about limits, like minimums, maximums, or daily caps, check the Help Center for the most current transaction limitations. Those guidelines can change, and staying updated helps prevent declined transfers or delays. And if anything doesn't look right, or you need help with a withdrawal, look for the Contact Us button in the app or on the website to reach support. They can review your transfer status and guide you if you run into errors or need to verify information. That's it. Sign in, go to Money, choose Withdraw, pick or link your bank, continue, review, and confirm. Follow these steps, and you'll have your funds on the way to your bank account.